Hello, good evening, everybody. It is Sunday, May 24th. Beautiful Sunday evening here in California. Hope you all are having a great night. And I hope we get to pull some major fire out of these boxes for you today. We are running one Optic T-Mall Asia Edition box break, PYT. All teams are sold other than Jazz, Thunder, Kings, Raptors, Blazers, Suns, and Magic. But we will run this box anyway. If anyone decides before we rip it that they want one of those teams, just go ahead and let me know, and we can work that out as well. Thank you guys for joining. My name is Dante. Page is Triple Crown Trading. And what we do is we do some box breaks, and we're going to get right into this one. Optic T-Mall, there's 20 packs in here, 4 cards per pack. Looking for the red waves and gold waves in here. These are exclusive to this product. No other product has them besides the Asia Select. So it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to get right into it. As it is pick your team. Everyone should know their teams already. So good luck. We'll go ahead and rip this box. Brand new sealed box of Optic 2019-20. 20 packs. 4 cards per pack. We're hoping for some big rookies. And of course, some big gold parallels. Good evening. I've seen the boxes usually have 1 gold, maybe 4 or 5 red parallels, and maybe 1 auto as well. I've also seen them without an auto and without a gold. So we're hoping to get a big one today. So we got 20 packs here. We're going to get right into it. Make sure that we didn't get stiffed on a pack. We got 5, 5, 5, and 5, and an empty box. Here we go, my friends. Let's get into it, and let's see what we get. We're hoping for a big start. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. Thank you all for joining the break. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you decide to join more with me. I do run them on this page as well as my other page, which is linked on the bio. And we're off to a good start. Luka Doncic for the Dallas Mavericks. Nice one. It's a base card. Kawhi, winner stays. Julius Randle and Kendrick Nunn. No nameplate rookie for Miami. Frizz. What's a frizz? Did it freeze? All right, that's pack 1. Let's hit pack 2. Kawhi Leonard. Base card for the Clippers. This must be our auto. Elise Johnson for the Pacers. There you go, George. Elise Johnson. It's a green prism auto. Not the auto we were looking for. Karl Anthony Towns. T-321 and Kyle Lowry base. So our auto is out of the way. Now we are chasing the red and gold waves, and hopefully they are some big ones. Pack 3. Marvin Bagley, Mo Bamba. Luka Doncic, my house. All right, Dallas off to a great start. There we go, a couple good ones. These my house cards are really popular right now. Luka Doncic, my house. Should have went bigger one. Good for Dallas. And Romeo Langford, rookie for Boston. Pack 4. Rajon. So we have our first red here. Russell For the Rockets, our first red is going to the Warriors. Willie Cauley-Stein. Probably the last Warrior we wanted to see. And Thomas Bryant base. But that is our first red wave. A Steph would have been wonderful. Clay would have been great. Even a Draymond would have been good. But we got Willie Cauley-Stein for the Dubs. My hometown team. Not the team I root for, but the team in the area I live. Lonzo Ball. Matthews. Here is our gold. Beautiful. Gold for the Rockets. Fantasy Stars. James Harden. There we go. So that's our gold wave. And an Ayton base. Throw that bad boy in a loader real quick. This is our gold for the pack. Hopefully we get another one. But usually I've seen one. And it's a James Harden. So we got a good one. Very nice. Going to the Rockets. I believe Chad picked those up. Bam Adebayo. Clint Capella. Hakeem the Dream. And our rookie, Ja Morant. Congrats to the Grizzlies. No color on that bad boy, but nice one nonetheless. It's our first big one. There should be a Zion in there too, from what I've seen. You get a little Zion, you get a Ja, you get a Zion. They kind of come together in these T-Mall packs. So let's hope for that. What teams you got, Bill? Here's Jamal Murray, Nuggets, Malik Monk, Kyle Lowry, Express Lane, and Dejounte Murray. Oops. Maybe the worst pack out of the box so far. Next pack. Got a hollow. Holla, we got a hollow. Chris Middleton, the Grizz. Okay, good. D'Lo, and our hollow is a rookie. Let's get a good one. Is DeAndre? Ooh, KZ Okpala for the Heat. Ooh, and Zion right after him. Let's go. Very nice pack there. KZ Okpala hollow. And our Zion Williamson rated rookie. Very nice. Willie, you're going to have to go, buddy. And that looks like it's centered decent. Congrats on that. It's always good when you get the first Zion out of the way. There we go. Lovely Okpala hollow as well. Let me get all the packs over here. Here we go. Let's keep on rolling. Al Horford, JJ Redick, green my house. Is it Giannis? It's Giannis. There we go. Very nice for the Bucks. And Kyrie base. Very nice. We got two of the best my houses. Maybe there's a LeBron in there too. That'd be wonderful. Very nice. Giannis, my house for the Bucks. Let's go. Pretty decent so far. We need the rest of these reds to be really nice as well. Should have one in here. Here's a LeBron base. Okay. Got the stars out today. Lauri Markkanen. And a Lakers red wave. Oh boy. Oh boy. AD red wave. That's nice. Let's go. And a KD. AD, then KD base. That is not bad at all for the Lakers. So our red waves are getting hotter. See if they continue to get hot. No Cavs yet, huh? Let's get you a nice KPJ hollow. That'd be good. All right, Jared Allen, John Wall base, De'Aaron Fox, Eric Bledsoe, Express Lane, and Jared Allen, Nets. Let's go. Let's see what else we're going to get from these. And just as a reminder, I'm going to be posting at 9 a.m. tomorrow. It's set to post on my page. It'll be a hobby box of Panini Select basketball. 30 spots, one random team per spot. We got another gold in here, fellas. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and fellas. Let's find out what that gold is. Jaylen Brown, our gold. The Hornets. The Hornets. Cody Zeller. Well, and a Nicolo Melli rookie. Well, Cody, could have put that gold on somebody else, but it's a gold, so it's better than a base, Cody Zeller. Ew, I know. Really could have given us anyone else, but you probably have the rainbow now, huh, George? You got every Cody Zeller there is. Serge Ibaka, Millsap. We got another My House, red, silver. That's Kobe White. That is a good one. Congrats, Chicago Bulls. My House, silver, Kobe White. That is a nice card. Congratulations to the Chicago Bulls. The person who got the Chicago Bulls. Beautiful. These My Houses are so sweet. Let's keep it moving. Here's Cody Zeller again to match up with that gold. Trae Young base. Giannis splash. And a Daniel Gafford rookie. So everything's going to get sleeved up and protected. I might just put it aside for now just to kind of get through the break so we're not spending a lot of time just sleeving cards up. Here we go. We are down to the last few packs. We have 6 more. This is the 6th. We have another red in here. Donovan Mitchell. CJ McCollum. Our red is for the Timberwolves. Who do we want? We want maybe a rookie, Noel, Carter, Culver. But we get Jeff Teague. Oh, Jeff Teague. Here's Culver. Could have put some red on that one for us. Panini. We got 2 golds out of here. One James Harden, one Cody Zeller. And 3 reds so far. Five packs left. Let's hope there's some nice Cavs in there for you. Mick Burke. There's some Cavs. Siakam, Jabari Parker, another red. And that is for, it's a rookie. Mafiandu Kabingali for the Clippers. The red rookie's a good one. I'll take that over Willie Cauley-Stein. And Dylan Windler for the Cavs coming out to play. Looks like that's your first one. A nice, well-centered, looking sharp Dylan Windler rookie card. Don't sleep on Dylan Windler either. He was a high draft pick. I think he may have a good future. We'll see. See how it turns out for the fella. And here's a Kabingali Red Wave. This is nice as well, too. Perfectly centered. For the Clips. All right, 4 packs left. Otto Porter Jr. base for the Bulls. Another red, Olynyk, and our red is for the Heat. And it should be a Fantasy Stars. Maybe Jimmy Buckets. Jimmy Buckets. Nice. For the Heat. And Robert Covington, T-Wolves. Got quite a few reds in this one. Here we go, 3 left. A big rookie, a big LeBron, something with some color would be wonderful here to finish off the night. Gerald Green, Dwight Powell, Beal Fantasy Stars, Rui Hachimura rookie for the Wizards. Very nice. So we got just about all the good rookies. KPJ we didn't get yet. Let's see, we got 2 packs left. Terry Rozier, Marcus Smart, Giannis, T-321. We got 3 inserts of Giannis today. And Tristan Thompson Kardashian for the Cavs. This is a hollow T-321. Here we go. Bucks did pretty well. T-321. My house. And we got Splash earlier. So pretty good. Yep, we need a hollow PJ Washington too. That'll do us good. Beautiful hollow T-321 for Giannis. Last pack of the night. Thank you all again for joining. Keep an eye on my page. I do have a couple more breaks going on this week. Got some Mosaic. Got Select launching tomorrow. Half of it is full. So there will be about 15 or 14 spots available. You could jump on that if you prefer to buy it online. You can do that. Those are on there for now. And Mosaic is coming and a bunch of other stuff. Maybe even some good baseball breaks too. So keep an eye on my page. And here's our last pack. PG-13, Harrison Barnes. Stockton, our last rookie is Bruno Fernando. No Cam, no Hunter for the Hawks today. So put that there in a sleeve. Do a quick little rundown of some of the better stuff that we got today. Man, the Asia boxes, they're pretty hit and miss, to be honest. I mean, the whole thing about it is like, if you get any of these big guys with a red or a gold, it's a huge win. But if you don't and you just get Cody Zellers, then, you know, you might as well open a cello pack, to be honest. That's kind of how it is. So our golds, we did get 2 golds. We got Cody Zeller, unfortunately, and James Harden. Fantasy Stars gold. This is a good one. We got some reds. Here's our reds. Jimmy Buckets Fantasy Stars. Mafiandu Kabengali, rated rookie. Willie Cauley-Stein. Jeff Teague. AD for the Lakers. That's a good one. Our auto was Elise Johnson. I don't even know if he's in the league or he's a rookie or what's going on with this guy, but maybe someone could fill me in if that's any good. We got a nice LeBron base. We got a Luka base. Picked up Giannis Splash insert. Giannis T-321 hollow insert. And a Giannis My House insert. So those are our 3 Giannis Antetokounmpo cards. Got a few more inserts out of this box. Bledsoe, Lowry, Hakeem the Dream winner stays. Karl Anthony, Stockton, and Kawhi. Our rookies. These are our top 3 right here. Of course, Zion Williamson, John Morant, rated rookie, and a nice hollow KZ Okpala. Here's some of our other rookies. Bruno Fernando, Rui, Jarrett Culver, Gafford, Melly, Romeo, and Kendrick Nunn. And beautiful My House silver hollow of Kobe White. And Luka Doncic My House. So that is your break, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for the fill. Keep an eye on my page. Thank you for joining. It's been a pleasure. Have yourselves a wonderful evening. Peace.